Kiwingo is in its 7th year of development. 2-seater helicopter for release. This is Kiwingo A1 and electric. Double-seat mini helicopter developed by Xpeng. It was showcased at 2020 Beijing Motor Shows and shocked everyone. With a close resemblance to a drone rather than a helicopter. Kiwingo is in its 7th year of development and has undergone RAF and thousands of repairs. Kiwingo's unique design is truly eye-catching. Could this drone-like helicopter be the futures of mobility? Thank you for watching to my channel. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube.